Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a captivating journey into the incredibly complex and enigmatic world of the human brain. The human brain, a masterpiece of evolution, is a network of billions of neurons, interconnected in ways that we are only beginning to understand. At the heart of this intricate structure lies the cerebral cortex, responsible for higher cognitive functions like reasoning, language, and problem solving. Deep within, the limbic system governs our emotions, memories, and motivations, shaping who we are and how we experience the world. As we learn, neural connections form and strengthen, shaping our abilities and influencing our perception of reality. Remarkably, the brain possesses plasticity, enabling it to adapt, rewire, and change throughout our lives. Despite its small size, the brain is an energy powerhouse, consuming a significant portion of our body's energy. And while we sleep, our brain is busy generating different types of brainwaves, playing a crucial role in memory consolidation and restoration. The brain's well-being is essential for our overall health, influencing our mood, cognitive abilities, and even physical well-being. As we conclude this one-minute journey through the human brain, let us marvel at the marvels of this extraordinary organ, responsible for our consciousness and all that makes us uniquely human. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the human brain, and remember, knowledge knows no bounds.